create column. For that, go to style, then click the column, then go to the properties. We need to change all the things. Name, just keep as it is, but we need to change the profile. If you go to the PDF, you can see the profile W760 into 582. Now just go here, then go to W section, and here it is I, and here it is W US metric, and here it is 760, here it is 582. 760 582. Select this one, double click this one, and here it is placed. You can change the material also, which material you want. You can select the material, and which color you want, you can fix it, that one. Next, this is the part numbering, make it H, and here it is column, so I just make it here CL. Then other all the thing keep as it is, then enter, click the location. Before that, we need to do one more thing also. Just go to the PDF, you can see this is the column bottom elevation, here it is top elevation, top one 9165. So just make it that one 9165, enter. Other all the thing keep as it is, then click the location, and here, but we need to change the orientation of this column. Here you can see, here if you go here, you can see our flank side, this side, so we need to change that one. So our flank side, we need to rotate that side. Select this one, just make it here 90, then enter. Now you can see it is placed perfectly. Again, go to column, just click the location, it will perfectly place. Expand. So now all the columns are placed.